Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Biology Learning Options. So today we are going to read the topic Fundamentals of Chemistry. So first of all, we will see that what is chemistry. It is the central science in which the study of matter, and it explains every aspect of daily life. It is essential to understand nearly all scientific, medical and pharmaceutical disciplines and engineering. A qualitative science. Now we will see that chemistry in our daily life. Healthcare includes diagnostic, treatment, medicine, prevention. Chemistry is the study of matter. Matter has mass and volume. Matter has physical properties. Matter has chemical properties. These are the three states. Now we will see the history of the atom. In 1808, John Dalton suggested that all matter was made up of. Now here we comes up with the atomic theory of matter. In 1808, John Dalton, he was the scientist that gave the atomic. A given compound is a chemical combination of the same atoms in the same relative. Then here is the Dalton's atomic theory, which is showing the red molecules, red balls, and that are basically the atoms of element X, and the green balls are representing the atoms of element Y. And here's the compound of these elements X and Y are shown. Then here are subatomic particles, and the particles electrons, protons and the neutrons. And here is showing the mass for these particular particles. So then we comes with basic concepts in chemistry. In which first of all we will discuss about chemical. It is any substance that take parts in or occurs as a result of chemical reaction. Then we comes up with a chemical formula, that is shorthand symbol for compounds, qualitative description of the constituent elements in a molecule or. Then shorthand symbolic notation for a chemical reaction is representing quantitative aspect, how much reactant is consumed and how much product is formed. We will see this in it. As we are discussing the quantitative aspect, so first of all in this we have to do that how much reactant is consumed in the particular equation and how much product is formed. Then coefficients must be consistent with the law of conservation of mass. Atoms are neither created or not destroyed in a chemical reaction. For example, chemical equation must be balanced. CH4 plus 2O2 into 2H2O plus CO2. So here then chemical reaction is a rearrangement of atoms such as what you end up with basically the product. So here comes up with the definition of the chemical reaction. A chemical reaction is a rearrangement of atoms in which reactant compounds are converted into product compounds. During a chemical reaction, chemical bonds in the reactants are broken and chemical bonds in the products are created. Now we will see the combustion of hydrocarbon, in which we will see methane plus oxygen is converted into carbon dioxide plus water. Methane CH4, oxygen O2 into carbon dioxide CO2 into water H2O. So here we will see that the equation is balanced now by putting 2 into oxygen molecule and 2 into water molecule. Sodium plus water, Na plus H2O, that is converted into hydrogen plus sodium hydroxide. So here again we will see that we are balancing the equation by putting 2 into H2O water molecule and 2 into sodium hydroxide NaOH. So now this is our balanced equation. Then comes up with the law of conservation of mass. That is basically the total mass is equal to total mass. So total mass of what? Total mass of reactants is equal to total mass of. So here are some basic concepts in chemistry in which we will see sodium plus water into hydrogen plus sodium hydroxide. So let's visualize what's happening at the particle level. You can see that what happens to the particles during a chemical reaction. They are not created or destroyed. They are merely rearranged. So now tell me that is there a change in energy associated with a chemical change? What do you think? So basically yes, heat, light, sound. Here you can see that it's a process of photosynthesis in which carbon dioxide plus water and plus with the help of sunlight that is converted into oxygen plus glucose product. So what we call for this process, or what is the name of this process, is basically it includes the synthesis. That is the taking small molecules and putting them together, usually in many steps. So this was the lecture of today. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly do like and subscribe my channel.